everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will say was a smidge of clickbait, okay? So the reason this is entitled I Swear is because today I'm going to be playing around with the Swear By It palette by NYX Professional Makeup. So sorry, yes, I got you to click on it, but I really think you'll like it if you keep watching. Before we get too far into the video, please make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, it helps me out a lot. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. Go ahead. All right, so I'm gonna do the eyes first because I've only used this palette once, but it was very pigmented and I'm a little scared to fall out. So here is the NYX Swear By It palette. It's so big. It has 30, no, not 30. It has 40 shades in this big daddy here. So they have a mixture of mattes, metallics, shimmers, satins, all kinds of things. And it's got almost any color you could want, I swear, in here. So the other day I did a blue look with this. I've got a meeting tonight with parents, so I'm going to do something a little more neutral today. Sorry, I know, I'm a neutral Nancy, but it is what it is. The only bad thing about this too is there's no mirror, so you gotta use something else for a mirror. So I went ahead and primed my eyelids. By the way, guys, I believe this palette is originally $35. It goes on sale from time to time through Ulta. I think I ended up paying $26 for it, which wasn't that bad. I mean, 40 shades, so you're talking a little more than $1 per shade there. And they've put out a couple of these really big palettes. I haven't really been interested in any of the other ones, but this one really caught my eye. I saw Raw Beauty Christy do a tutorial with this, and I loved these kind of like orangey, ambery, like fall colors in here. Awesome. So how's everyone doing as I get into this? Because, I'm just not. P.S. I can kind of describe to you the tone of these colors, but there's no shade names. You guys know I hate that. There's no shade names, so I can't really tell you like a color name. I'm just going in one of these neutral matte shades at the top for transition shade. So being a teacher and being all the uncertainty of the world right now has been hard. It's made me question a lot of things. How are you guys? It's frustrating to me that the first thing that the state of Ohio does is cut money to schools. Like, it's kind of an important area, people. So, enough about that though. I really want to hear how you guys are doing. Let me know down in the comments below. Are you stressed? Are you vibing, living your best life? I am having a meeting tonight with some of my show choir students. We're really hoping that we can still have our summer show choir camp, and I'm really looking forward just honestly to seeing their faces and hearing them speak, even though it's all going to be online through Zoom. They just bring me so much joy, and I know they're looking forward to it so much, and I just really hope I can provide them with something positive, because I know a lot of them have struggled through this time too. Going in with a little bit of a darker brown color in that same crease area. And I am going to go in, concentrate a little bit of a darker brown out here. I used the M433 from Morphe for my crease, and now I'm going at the M152, so the darker matte brown shade to, like I said, give a little dimension on the outside here. For those of you that don't know, I teach where I graduated from, so I have the unique perspective of being a teacher where I'm also an alumni. And let me tell you, people, times have changed. Like, I graduated high school in 2009. Students today face a lot of stuff we didn't. Like, even just social media, it's such a powerful tool, but it can have such negative implications on their lives if they don't know how to use it properly. Just taking one of these shimmers with my finger and putting that on the rest of my eyelid. Thinking I might need to go in with a little flat brush here to be more precise. It's an M166. Oh yeah, that goes on with the brush really well. Sometimes these shimmers don't want to work with a brush and you have to use your finger to get any sort of potency from them, or a wetted brush, but this is working great on a brush, just dry. There's a little bit of fallout, but that's why I did my eyes first. I would love to know in the comments below how many of you were involved in your public school system if you were publicly educated. How many of you were involved in your school's arts program? And that could be performing arts, band, choir, show choir, musical theater. That could be the drama department with just plays, not a musical. That could be visual arts. I know at one point our art department even offered ceramics, stained glass, window techniques, clay, advanced classes that sadly have been reduced since that time. But I really think those things impact students and really, frankly, motivate them in other areas of their life. There's a reason those subjects used to be called the humanities. Now I promise, for real, I'm stepping off of my advocacy box now. If you don't like it, hey, guess what? Maybe this isn't the channel for you, but I can't help it. I will always advocate for the arts, not just music. I will always. They are so important. Going in with another little shimmery shade here just to hit the brow bone in the inner corner. This video is kind of all about this palette, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, and here we are back with the final face. I really like how the eyes turned out. They're kind of nice and smoky, but still very natural. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So yeah guys, that is all I have for you today. I know today's video was a really short one. Honestly, I have a lot going on right now between finishing my thesis for my master's degree and making preparations for next school year. So hopefully you guys can forgive me for that. I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Please consider giving this a thumbs up and subscribing before you go. I promise you I'm so good with engaging people. I always make sure to respond back to comments, and I think that's the beauty of a small YouTube page, is that you are gonna get a response. You are gonna have that interaction with the content creators. So I'll see you in the next one.